How do you reveal your abs? So it keeps me from thinking na kailangan mo mag-train your abs for you to fully reveal your abs. And the biggest truth mga kalimit is purely genetics. So genetics plays a vital role when it comes to revealing your abs. No matter how many abs exercise of isolation movement on abs exercise, you won't burn belly fat because fat loss happen to overall calorie deficit mga kalimit. Burn more calories than you consume, okay? I'm gonna be honest to you mga kalimit na diet is more important than abs workout. So, calorie deficit is the most important thing when it comes to revealing your abs. Okay mga kalimit, we have 3 factors: body fat percentage, muscle development, and also the most important thing is the genetics plays a vital role when it comes to abs. For most women and men, abs start becoming visible from body fat 14 to 18 body fat percentage. So making a solid nutrition plan mga kalimit will make you reveal your abs, okay? So this is the truth. Strong factor, visible abs, strong abs, genetics. So this is the most important thing. Genetics kasi, so I am a ectomorph since I have been eating more and more food but still I am showing my abs. So this is genetics mga kalimit. Some people store fat in their midsection na naturally, and then some people have 4 packs or maybe like 6 pack or maybe like 8 packs. So that is genetics mga kalimit. Tanong, I can really show my abs ba kahit I don't have the genetics? Well, very sure you can have that abs mga kalimit. If your goal is to reveal your abs mga kalimit, so you need a well-structured diet plan, a structured training program for you to retain muscle while losing fat. So that's it mga kalimit. That's the key here. So let's go. Boom.